Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. We had kind of a crazy airplane trade today with myself and Henry on a plane at the same time, and apparently that is good for the market. So one of the trades that we'd had on in the room that was kind of sucking wind there got a nice pick me up, 20 bucks in BIIB right into the target, which is good since these are expiring. That was an amazing move. If we look at some of the stocks that we've been kind of following here, you can see that essentially money flow, really nothing's really changing. I'll cover this in detail in the premium video in terms of what's going on in the dollar and bonds and oil and gold and all that kind of stuff. But overall, the government, the U.S. government, can essentially control what it wants to happen through its messages via the central bank, right? The quote-unquote independent central bank. U.S. government wants the dollar to go higher, it wants oil to go lower, it wants stocks to go higher, et cetera, et cetera. And bonds are going lower today, but they're so extended, and after an FOMC meeting, they always pull back and get to support, and we buy them up again. But you'll see that just what's good for the goose isn't necessarily good for the gander, meaning that there are stocks out there like QIHU, Priceline, Netflix, Tesla that have had a tough time of it, and money is just flowing out of those stocks. And this move in the markets is great, but this is not where I want to put my attention, right? I want to put my attention where money is kind of exploding into it, not just kind of getting carried, up. So like RIG, oil stock, wow, it's up today. Is it bottoming? No, it's kind of getting lifted along, dragging and screaming, simply because there's buy programs all over the place. So this is not the market to be bottom fishing in. This is the market to go where the money is going. Okay, so BIIB, we took a look at that. If you look at IWM, IWM is actually on the verge here of a big breakout. Now, ultimately, I'm looking for outperformance by larger cap stocks, but you got to remember, IWM has, the highs on IWM are back in March of 2014, and we've been consolidating here, and this could actually be a really big break. I mean, IWM here is actually setting up and poised for a pretty nice break. And this is the kind of market where you can buy breakouts if you're using options, just buy longer dated options to hold through the pullbacks. But of course, waiting for pullbacks is awesome. As we go through here and look at some of the credit card stocks, Visa, nice move today, $4. Okay, MasterCard, this is one. There's a lot of stocks like this. I like these patterns here where we sold off, sold off, sold off. We broke through that kind of downtrend, and now it's cleared the way for it to make new highs, and that's what I'm expecting with MasterCard and with Visa and with American Express. Okay, and I mean, even Discover, oh gosh, what is it? DSV? Now I got to find it. Hold on. So Discover Financial Card. I didn't even know people still use Discover, and you can see even that one's doing good. So that's a stock here that I like on a lot of different levels, and that's been doing really, really well in this environment. Okay, and if we go here and look at some of the bigger name stocks like the Walmarts of the world and stuff like that. Oh, that was a quick user error there. So the Walmarts of the world here, I mean, this is a huge market cap stock, and you can see here picture perfect pullback on a weekly chart, picture perfect rounded bottom here, and it's just showing steady accumulation. So I know the urge out there, I've heard a lot of it, just people are just like not believing this rally, they're going to short it and stuff like that. Just go with the flow. Go with the money. Go with, the government wants something to happen, and it's going to happen, and there's no use to fight it. Okay? Hope that helps. You guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you at the next update.